The Charles Stark Draper Prize for Engineering was established by the National Academy of Engineering and endowed by the Charles Stark Draper Laboratory Incorporated in 1988 to honor the memory of Doc Draper, the father of inertial navigation, and to increase public understanding of the contributions of engineering to the freedom and well-being of humanity. The prize recognizes engineers responsible for technological developments that have transformed modern life. His belief that education needed a hands-on component led him to establish the instrumentation laboratory within MIT's Aero department. In 1973, MIT divested the laboratory, thus creating Draper, an independent, not-for-profit engineering solutions company. The Draper Prize acknowledges working solutions rather than theoretical discoveries. Examples of past winners include the creators of the GPS, inventors of the cell phone, and pioneers of personal computers and the Internet. Without these remarkable engineering achievements, much that we take for granted in our day-to-day lives would not exist. The 2020 Draper Prize is awarded to Jean Fréchet and C. Grant Willson for the invention, development, and commercialization of chemically amplified materials for micro and nano fabrication, enabling the extreme miniaturization of microelectronic devices. Chemically amplified resist, or CAR, is used in lithography to create the very small structures in modern semiconductors. At the time of their innovation, the semiconductor industry was approaching a technical limitation in how small those structures could be made with existing processes. Short waveform light sources needed for the higher resolution circuitry were too weak to be used. The development of chemically amplified resist materials allowed for higher sensitivities, which reduced photoirradiation time and ultimately allowed for increasingly smaller structures to be created. Fréchet has worked at both the University of California, Berkeley and the King Abdullah University of Science and Technology. A member of the National Academy of Engineering and National Academy of Sciences, Fréchet has been selected for numerous international honors, including the American Chemical Society ACS Arthur C. Cope Award and the Japan Prize. His work in polymers has garnered over 120,000 citations. Willson has worked at IBM and currently holds the Rashid Engineering Regents Chair at the University of Texas at Austin. His research focuses on the design and synthesis of functional organic materials, with emphasis on organic materials for microelectronics. He was presented with the National Medal for Technology and Innovation 2008 by the President of the United States, and in 2013 shared the Japan Prize with Fréchet among numerous other honors. These materials created by Fréchet and Willson are used in the manufacturing of microprocessors and memory chips found in everyday modern devices that have become vital to our way of life. Personal computers, mobile phones, motor vehicles, the entire Internet of Things are enabled through the innovation of CAR created by Jean Fréchet and C. Grant Willson. And for this, we award to them the 2020 Charles Stark Draper Prize for Engineering.